Okay. Alright guys, so today we are attempting to change the battery of this CBR 250cc? Yeah, CBR 250RR for the, I don't know, fifth or sixth time. I've got this old battery that I bought from eBay for I think $50, but this keeps dying. So I would not recommend you to buy this. Buy something nice, spend a little bit of money. Coming back to the battery, so the battery is usually under the seat, and it's a pretty simple thing. You just take it off, plug it in, and that's it. So I take the back seat off first, and then there's there's just one Allen key needed for this, which is not this is not the right Allen key, but let's find one here. I'm pretty sure I have one somewhere in my, yeah. So this is pretty straightforward. Yeah, okay. That's it. Put this here. Okay, and then there. I kind of don't like this position, but again, this is what. Okay, so this helped me with this, but I think this Allen key is needed because of the angle. So let's see. Hey, that's it. We got it. I can just loosen this with my hand. And don't drop the bolt, guys. If you lose the bolt, it gets stuck somewhere in the middle. And then, yeah, so this is, and the seat is off. Okay, here we go. And as you can see, this is the old battery. There's one screw holding it here, and I'm gonna just use a power drill. Just gonna use this. I don't know which one goes in. Okay. All right, so we're back, guys. So this is one screw. If you can focus here, yeah, this is one screw that needs to be taken off. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, the other way. All right, so that's it. This one screw is here. I'm just gonna put this here for now. All right, so this thing comes off. Now it's time to just take these two screws off. In this case, just be careful, guys. So there's a nut that locks it at the bottom. You need to be aware or not drop that, basically. If I can find a screwdriver. So what I usually do is I take two of these. One to kind of hold the nut in the bottom and open this. So that's it. Take this off so that I don't lose it. And this goes here. Same thing goes on this side. Just hold the nut. Okay, so that is it. Let me take this off. Take the battery off now. Oops. And this is the old battery. So just to show you guys, this is the, so this is the nut that I was talking about. So this holds the screw in place. You need to make sure you don't lose this, because if you do, then the screw always keeps wobbling. The time to replace the battery with the newly charged battery. I'm gonna take these things off. Yep. All right, I'm gonna take these things off and put it back here for now. And just I'm not I'm not going to do anything till I actually test if the bike starts. Once I can see the bike starting, I can then come back to it. Let's see if this battery is actually working properly or not. No charge, mate. No charge. Okay, it is okay. There is charge. Sorry. Let's see if this starts.
It won't because
Why?
stand.
No, it will. Okay. So the fuel pump primes. Oh, seems like the battery died on me again. Looks like I might have to tighten the screws. Let's see if I can get this done without any. I kind of don't like this part, but again, don't really have a choice. I'm just wedging this in so that I can get a. Okay. Ah, this freaking hell. All right, so I've finally gotten the screws right. I've plugged it in. Now let's see if the bike starts. Okay, so it is turning on. Let's see if this thing starts. Fuel pump primes. Hey! Job well done. Okay, so I still need to put this back before I keep this bike running. Like I pulled this out. It's pretty straightforward, guys. Just do this. Okay, just one screw that goes in. If I can find where the screw is. Yep. So that's it. Just one screw here. Yep, that goes in. Now next goes the seat. Okay, that's it. And two more screws for the seat. If I can get this right. Okay, that's why. And here goes the Allen. That's it. That's tight. I haven't left anything. All my tools. So let's take this bike outside, guys, because I think we still have some sunlight left. Oh, actually we don't, but that's okay. We can still start the bike outside. Let's take this bike outside because this hasn't been running for a while now. I need to keep this bike turned on for. All right. So, moment of truth. Okay, the fuel pump primes. Hey, starts at one go. So, please let me know how you found this video. Please leave your comments and